Hello friends, it's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can change the password on your Apple ID. Friends, please put your likes, also write comments and be sure to subscribe to our channel. And let us get down to this interesting topic. And in order for you to change your password in Apple ID, first of all, please open the phone settings on your iPhone. And then at the top, click on your name to go to your Apple ID. And here, select this option right here. Next, here you'll be able to see a function called Change Password. Click on it. If you have a password on your phone, you'll need to maintain it. And here, as you can see, on the next page, you will need to maintain a new password. And then you have to duplicate the new password. Also, take note that your password should be at least 8 characters, among which should be numbers and capital letters. After you change your password, be sure to click Change in the upper right corner, and your password will be changed immediately. This is the very simple and quick way, friends, you will be able to change your Apple ID password with ease. I hope you found this video helpful and that it was useful to you. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes and write your comments. Bye-bye.